Hey y'all, today we're in Gulf Shores, Alabama, and we're doing a follow-up video on this RV resort called Gulf Shores RV Resort. It's brand new and it's not even open yet. It's set to open on Monday, June the 20th. So we did a full drive-through, and I'll put a link to that somewhere if you want to go through and watch that. But we're just doing a follow-up to see what improvements they've made and see if they're ready to open. So it looks like they have added picnic tables and grills and even fire rings to all of the sites, so that's really nice. Up here on the left you can see that they've added some little cabins, so there are 5 of those, and there's also another one around the corner. And then when we get over here you'll see they're working on the pool, and you know what? I think we can get a better look at this. There we go, that's better. Bird's eye view is always better. So yeah, you can see the entire park here. So this is phase 1. Once they complete phase 2, they plan to have 400 RV sites here. So this place is going to be huge. And it does look like they still have some work to do. They are working on the pool. I don't know if you can see it, but they have water going in it right now. So they are filling it up. Has a good bit of chairs around it, so it's not huge, but it is a good sized pool. It's really pretty. They're gonna have a volleyball court back here. They have a pickleball court. This white building is where a bathhouse will be and a laundry room, and then the red topped building over there I believe is their pavilion. So it is coming along. They do obviously still have a good bit of work to do, but it looks like the RV sites are ready to go. I think I mentioned, but they are all full hookup, and they all have their picnic table and fire ring and barbecue grill. I think these that back up to the ponds are really nice. And there's, you got a good view of the cabins over there from here. These ponds are supposed to be stocked, I believe. When we get over here to the other end, you'll be able to see the second bathhouse. Now, it has a keypad on it. So we didn't try to go in it today. Once they open, we will try to go back and see if they'll let us do a tour of the facility and get some inside footage of the bathhouses and that kind of thing. But yeah, it looks like they are ready to go.